In the main interface, press up, down, left, or right to switch between function modules. Choose music, press the confirm to enter. Press the return key to exit. Choose music, confirm. Breakpoint, resume, play. All songs. Disk contents local folder, cart folder, artist, album, style, favorites, updating playlists. Scroll up and down through the list. Tap confirm to enter. Play pause. Menu key, playback interface, tap the pop-up menu option. Add favorites, delete collection, EQ, play mode, repeat mode, variable speed playback, volume limit, delete. Return key, tap return to the previous menu. Long press, fast forward. Long press, fast rewind. Volume up, vol 加, short press the vol 加 button. When the volume pop-up appears, long press vol 加 again to increase the volume. Volume down, vol, short press the vol button. When the volume pop-up appears, long press vol again to decrease the volume.